If you want to see how I made this dress, keep watching.
So the last time I ended up cutting this fabric, it was super slippery. So this time I'm actually going to draw on top of it first and then cut it out. We'll be using this pencil that is water soluble to draw on my fabric. Okay, so update. I guess I'm not going to be using this pencil because as you can see, it doesn't show up. Okay, after hours of cutting, it's finally done. And what I ended up doing is putting a layer of paper underneath the fabric and then cutting it. So as you can see, there's a bunch of scraps, but it actually stabilizes it and it allows me to cut slippery fabric without having to like draw on it or without having to struggle.
Now it's actually time to sew the dress. If it helps, here's a little animation of me putting it together. Alright, let's get back to sewing. So I started by sewing all the skirt pieces together, leaving the back open for the zipper. I then moved on to the top pattern pieces. Originally, I wasn't going to use boning, but last minute I decided it needs some structure, especially for the grommets in the front. I sewed the skirt to the top and eventually installed the zipper. Now that the dress is done, I'm going to make a deal with the internet. If this video gets 500 likes and I get 1,000 subscribers by September 1st, 2024, I will release this pattern for free and I will make a detailed tutorial on how to sew it. So if you like this dress and want the pattern, tell your friends, tell your family, tell your pets to subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.